Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, I'm going to show you a case study for a YouTube channel that's for sale right now. Well, it's a business that's selling their business assets, including their YouTube channel that's included in that sale. But why would you want to buy a YouTube channel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Not everyone has the time to build up a channel from scratch, or maybe get some extra cash laying around, and it's easier just to buy the channel. You might think of it like buying a McDonald's. Of course, you can go ahead and start your own restaurant, but if you buy a franchise with McDonald's, it just gives you a jump start. Of course, it is really quite expensive to buy somebody's business. But if you have a lot more money than time, then sometimes it makes sense. So I got an email from Flippa. If you're not familiar with Flippa, it's a marketplace where you can buy and sell digital assets. So I bought websites on there. I've also sold websites on there. You can buy domains, basically anything that's digital. So like an Instagram profile, YouTube channels, all of that is available. Check my video description if you want to get the link to this particular listing. So the cool thing is when someone's selling their business on Flippa, they're going to give you a lot of inside details that you normally wouldn't know about a channel. So for this particular channel, it looks like they're selling it for $590,000. So over $500,000, which is pretty cool. Now they do let you know that the monthly profit right now is about $10,700 per month. So this is a faceless channel. So what is a faceless channel? Basically, there's no personality connected to the YouTube channel. So as you're watching this video, you see my face. With a faceless channel, you might just hear my voice, or we might pay somebody to do the voiceover for the video. For this one, there's no actual character. It's just walking tours in various cities. So if you like to travel and you're traveling all over the world, this might be a good opportunity for you to buy a channel and you can continue adding content. Another strategy is if you buy this channel, you can actually just pay freelancers through Upwork or through travel websites and ask them to do these videos for you. So these are actually some really high quality videos that I've seen. It looks like they're shooting in 4K. So these file sizes are huge. And if you go to the channel right here on YouTube, HP Walking Tours. So I have already installed TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy lets me know that the lifetime views on this is 47 million, and they're getting about 2 million views each month, which is quite a bit. So at $11,000 revenue, that means they're getting paid about $5,500 per 1 million views. Now with a channel like this, they have 144,000 subs. They're getting a good amount of views each month. You can see on my channel, I'm getting about 560,000. So they're getting 4 times the amount of traffic that I'm getting on my channel. So there's definitely sponsorship opportunities. So that could be in the form of free hotels or free airfare or tours and things like that, that would be separate than what they're calculating right here. So what they're saying right here, 10,700, this is from the AdSense. So those are ads that are run on their YouTube channel. So we can kind of scroll this down a little bit. You can see in March, it looks like the channel brought in $18,000. And then in August, it was a low month, $7,000. November, 16,900, 14,000. And then they give a little blip on this. So for me, this is a huge selling point. So this is evergreen content. So you can see on their channel over here that they have tours of Monaco, Palermo, Madrid, Las Vegas. So anytime somebody is going to be traveling, let's say in Acropolis, they may end up watching this video to get an idea of what they can expect in that city before they get there. So their most popular video looks like Las Vegas. The RPM on Las Vegas videos are pretty high because there's a lot of advertisers and casinos that would pay to advertise against that video. So it looks like Sereno. But again, if you look at these videos, these are really high quality videos and they're long, really long videos. I mean, this one is 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours here in Rome. So whenever I do traveling, I like to travel for leisure, but also I like to go places where I can accomplish some work. So this is a good opportunity to buy a channel so you can go ahead and travel. And then also you have a purpose to be there. So you'll be making videos. So let's say you want to go to, I don't know, Shanghai, China. So rather than just going there, spending $10,000 on the trip, you may end up going there and recording one of these videos. Of course, these videos are really in depth. So it's going to take you a few days to record it. There's editing, there's uploading, but with 3.5 million views on this Vegas video, this probably paid for their particular trip that they took here to Las Vegas. So if we scroll up a little bit, it looks like they've done 174 videos. So that's quite a few videos. So you have to kind of calculate if you were to take 174 trips or even half of that, 100 trips, that's a lot of money on airfare. That's a lot of money on hotels. That's a lot of work on the videos. So of course the channel is selling for $600,000, which is a huge amount. I mean, that's like a house, but if you divide 600,000 by 100, that works out to about $6,000 per video. So if you're going to take a plane trip from let's say the US to Rome, you know, that might be $1,000 round trip ticket just on the ticket. And that wouldn't include hotels and things like that. that. And then also, if you own a channel like this, of course, you do get perks. Like I said, you can contact hotels and let them know that you're going to be in town and maybe include their hotel in these videos and do a sponsor. So it looks like for the past 30 days, they've uploaded 7 videos. So you can see these spikes when they upload a video because their subscribers are notified. But for me, when I look at this channel, this is actually a pretty good channel because it's not really anything that you have to keep producing content. Of course, you probably want to keep producing, but if you don't produce for a month, it's still going to produce views because again, this is evergreen content. People are going to be searching for Monaco videos or nightlife in Palermo. So it looks like they do have an Instagram right here. So not too many followers on there, but it looks like it might be kind of more of a personal account, but it is slightly related to their YouTube channel. But the big bread and butter for this channel is going to be the YouTube channel. So again, if you need a link to this particular listing on Flippa, check my video description. I'll try to leave a link there. So as we're scrolling through this, it looks like this is going to be handled by a broker and they've already verified the income on this. And they included a lot of different data sources on this. So let's go ahead and look up the past 365 days. Okay, here is the 365-day profit. So it looks like they're doing $160,000 per month, which is pretty good. We do see a downward trend on their traffic all the way down until November. This could be seasonal just because it's traveling. So there's going to be some seasonal traffic in here. And then in 48 hours, they're getting 90,000 views. So that's about 45,000 views per day. So for me, these are actually pretty good statistics. Let's see what it looks like over the past 30 days. Okay, here's 28 days. Okay, the past 28 days, let's see, from December 12th to January 8th. So the past 28 days, $11,000. So normally what I would do is, let me pull up my calculator. Okay, as I'm valuing this out, they want $590,000. And then I'm going to divide that by the revenue per month. It's about 11,269. It's actually a little bit more than that because there's 2 days missing there, but we'll just use that number for now. Okay, so for me, it's looking like it's going to take about 50 months for me to recoup if I were to buy this for $590,000. So for me, that's pretty high. They're saying it's going to be about 3.7 years. If we look right here, revenue multiplier, 3.7x. Okay, and then if we look over here to the right, it looks like Flippa has already verified the revenue, the primary expenses, and the traffic. Of course, if you are going to be buying a business like this, you're going to want to do your own investigation. But when you're buying a YouTube channel, I mean, the numbers are pretty easy to calculate because the majority of the revenue is just going to come from AdSense. And that is something that can be printed out and verified pretty easily. This particular channel, I'm surprised they don't have any kind of sponsorships. So if you were to buy this channel, you know, you could easily add a few thousand to $10,000 extra per month. Of course, you'd have to reach out to various companies. A lot of times you could just have a VA start contacting various hotels or various locations that are travel related to get a sponsorship on your channel. So there you go. That's a pretty cool case study. If you're looking to do some traveling and you want to have a purpose and maybe make some money on a traveling channel, this is a great idea. If you're going to start your own channel on this, it's going to be a long process just because you have to travel to so many different places. It's a lot of work. But if you are somebody who frequently travels, this could be a good idea for you to start your own channel. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.